Despite a promise by Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw to explore new markets for Jamaican coffee, industry players are getting impatient, especially farmers whose operational costs far outweigh what they make. We have the details in this report. The Jamaica coffee industry is on life support, with coffee farmers suffering the most. Their earnings have dipped, and if the country doesn't find new markets, the viability of the industry will be at stake. Speaking at a Jamaica Agriculture Society press conference recently, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw gave an assurance that new markets were being explored. As it relates to pricing, he also promised that was being looked into.
I'm working on it, and let me tell you something. I can't call names as to who I'm meeting with, right? But you know who I'm meeting with, right? But we have to straighten it out.
With no definitive timelines, this has done little to appease farmers.
The price are like $3,000 and $4,000 a box, and if you pay a man for spray it at $3,000, if you buy one bottle of Oprah 1 liter, it for $10,000, and plus other chemical we have to add to it, so we can't really keep up to the cost. Fertilizer $7,000 a bag, so really disgraceful to see have a big brand like this.
A major impediment to the thriving local coffee industry is the amount of the product being imported. Manufacturers are combining Blue Mountain coffee with the imported product to make a blend.
Blue Mountain coffee have been watered down over the years, and it's getting worse because it's a cheaper way for these people to make money.
According to data from the Jamaica Agriculture Commodities Regulatory Authority, JACRA, 2017 and 2018 combined saw coffee imports totaling $1.46 billion. A further breakdown shows that in 2017, the country imported green coffee beans at a cost of $210 million. In 2018, it amounted to $180 million. In contrast, green coffee beans exports totaled $2 million Jamaican dollars for the 2017-2018 period, and for 2018-2019, the export figure stood at a little over $900,000.
It affects the Blue Mountain coffee farmers. A lot of people come to the Blue Mountain area and they're asking, long time they don't taste the real Blue Mountain coffee. People lost the taste of the Blue Mountain coffee because they're not getting the Blue Mountain coffee. You travel over the world, they're asking, where is the Blue Mountain coffee? Because they water it down with the blend.
When a few tourists travel this side, most of the time they come and they tell us that they want the original Blue Mountain coffee. We as farmers, sometimes we have to find a way how to give them just a liquor, because those big people, they're not giving small farmers license. So that's what we can do our own thing. That is one way of manipulating the market and farmers and all. So it kind of suppresses us, having an oppression.
Despite these issues, the Blue Mountain coffee brand remains strong overseas, which takes us to here, the online website Amazon. We observed several coffee brands bearing the Jamaica Blue Mountain name, but upon closer inspection, the ingredients are not even from Jamaica. They're being sold online for as much as $100. So as the Ministry of Agriculture attempts to revive the industry, there are also questions about the next generation of coffee farmers.
Right now, our children will have to be planning we can't tell them nothing about farming right now. The next generation behind us. You know, we have to, right now a lot of them planning, going to school, trying to get some subject and go out, go do something. You can't tell them about bush, nor coffee. They don't want to hear that.